Here's how you measure using calipers. So calipers measure the distance between these two pieces known as jaws that you see on the far left here. You can slide the jaws further and closer to each other. And to take a measurement, you want to close the jaws around the object you're measuring. And then look for where that 0 at the very top of your marker lines up with the ruler on the bottom, and that'll be your measurement. The lower, larger jaws of the caliper can be used to measure external dimensions, meaning the edges of a part. Using these calipers, you can measure in centimeters or inches. You can use the upper jaws on the top to measure the internal diameter, or the space between two parts, two edges of a part. The space between two edges of a part. Once again, you'll just look for that 0 number at the top and look for the number it lines up with on the ruler in the middle.